So in today's video, I thought, let's talk about what you actually need to get started. I know that you've been looking through a lot of YouTube videos, looking how to do product research, potentially even how to list a product, but there are a few bits of information that you need to make sure you have in place before you even start the product research. I know that it can be quite overwhelming and you don't actually know where to start. So I thought, let's make a sort of quick, small, short video as to what bits of information you need for you to get started. Now, this information is primarily focused for the UK market. However, a lot of it will be relevant for any other marketplace that Amazon operates in at the moment. So first things first, you need to set up a limited company, okay? Now here in the UK, it's pretty straightforward. You only have to pay £12 and you can just go on the gov.uk website and just go through the steps that they put you through. They will ask you for your personal information, get a little bit of background around what your business is going to be doing and what your plan is going forward. And then you will receive the information between the 3 to 5 business working days. They will give you all the business details for you to keep on file. And you have to make sure you have that information, those documents on file, because that will be required by Amazon further down the line, okay? Second, you need to create a business bank account. Now, this takes quite a while, especially if you're using a high street retail bank such as HSBC, Lloyds, RBS. They can take between 1 to 2 weeks. And sometimes what you have to do is you actually have to go into the branch and provide some of your personal information there as well, such as your proof of address, your identity card or passport or something like that. So you want to make sure that if you are serious about selling on Amazon, you start off ideally with creating a business bank account, because that will take quite some time. And it's something that Amazon may ask for you to provide proof of going forward. 9 times out of 10, they will just ask for like a business bank account statement, which if you do have that set up, should be pretty easy and straightforward to do going forward. Next is creating professional Amazon seller account. Now, there are 2 types of accounts that you can create on Amazon. First is the individual account, which is something that you might create if you just want to sell an item here and there. It's free to set up. However, you do have a limit of how many listings you can put up on sale, and it also is you pay a fee for every single listing that you set up. Now, if you are serious about this business and you've gone through my videos and you looked at how to do product research and you actually want to create this as a business or as at least a side income, you want to go for the Amazon seller account. This is where you pay a monthly fee of about 25 to 30 pounds, but then Amazon gives you the rights to set up as many listings as you like. They also give you a lot more information around the business reports, some of the analytics, see how well your businesses and sort of your listings are doing, and kind of makes it a lot easier for you to manage your business going forward. So if you are serious, please make sure that you buy the Amazon seller account, the professional Amazon seller account going forward. And then last but not least, you need to make sure that you have some product research software. Now, this is not essential. You can potentially find a product on Amazon and start speaking to suppliers. However, without product research, it's pretty much guesswork, okay? So it's not as essential as setting up your limited company and some of the various other steps that we just spoke about, but it is very, very crucial that you have this product research software. Now, if you're running on a low budget, you can get something like a Jungle Scout Chrome extension, which I believe is a one-off payment, and it will give you quite a bit of information around how other listings are doing on the Amazon marketplace. You'll get the information such as how many sales they're doing, what their reviews are, with their sales history and that sort of stuff. However, if you have a little bit more money, I think you should go for something like Helium 10 package, because not only you get the product research software, but also you get quite a bit of other information that is going to be very useful for you going forward. Such as email follow-up. So any customer that you sell to will get 2 or 3 or however many emails you want afterwards, which is very useful for getting reviews. You will also be able to check off how much profit you make on each and every single product that you sell, especially if you do put in your cost of sales going forward. So overall, it's a much better package. However, it is a bit more pricey and you do pay a monthly fee as opposed to a one-off to Jungle Scout. So I hope that you found this useful. If you did like the comment, please don't forget to like and subscribe. There will be many more videos to come about, listing a product on Amazon, how to do the images, and just to see how to rank on the very first page for you to make consistent sales going forward. So if you did like, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching.